Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ever wish you could automate your recurring tasks in Notion and stop worrying about missing those routine to-dos? Well, today's your lucky day. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through setting up automated recurring tasks in Notion so you can boost your productivity and reclaim your time. By the end of this video, you'll be able to schedule daily, weekly, or monthly tasks that appear in your workspace just when you need them. No more manual resets or forgotten chores. Let's jump right in. I'm using a sample database here, but you can follow along with any database in your workspace, whether it's a tasks tracker, a habits board, or anything else you use. The beauty of this method is that it works universally, so feel free to adapt it to your own setup. So first things first, head to your database. You'll notice the New drop-down at the top. This is where we kick things off. Click on it and select New Template. Templates are like blueprint pages in Notion. They let you create pre-filled entries for all sorts of use cases, and now with this new feature, you can make one that recurs automatically. Take a moment here. If you're new to templates, think of them like copying over your favorite recipe onto a new page each time you cook. Okay, now that you've created a new template, it's time to write in your recurring task. Maybe you want weekly review to pop up every Friday afternoon or water the plants to remind you a few times a week. Go ahead and fill out all the fields you want to recur: title, tags, any checkboxes, or notes. Remember, whatever you put here will show up exactly the same each time Notion creates the next occurrence, so add as much useful detail as you'd like. Once you're happy with how the template looks, just close it. That's all you need to do. Don't worry about making it perfect on the first try. You can always go back and adjust the details later. Now let's return to the New dropdown where we started. This next part is the magic, so pay close attention. Click on the three dots icon next to your template in the dropdown. It might be hiding a bit, but it's usually on the far right. Look for the icon that gives you a few more settings options. In this menu, you'll find the repeat option. Go ahead and click it. The repeat feature is brand new, and it lets you schedule this task to recur at intervals that suit you: daily for habits, weekly for tasks like a Sunday review, monthly for things like budget check-ins, or even custom timelines if you have a unique workflow. Set your desired schedule here. Just imagine this is like telling Notion to act as your personal assistant, nudging you when it's time for your next routine task, whether it's submitting a report or cleaning your desk. Don't worry if the scheduling panel looks overwhelming at first. Take a minute to browse through the options and choose the recurrence pattern that fits your life best. If you're unsure, start with something simple like daily or weekly and refine as you go. And that's it. Once you've saved your schedule, your recurring task is all set. Notion will automatically create it for you at the interval you chose. Try it out and see how it works for a few cycles. You might find yourself surprised by how much mental space you free up just by automating the repetitive stuff. If this tutorial helped you automate your routine in Notion, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you want to share your favorite recurring tasks. I love hearing tips from other productivity fans. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Notion walkthroughs and productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.